storm surge is coming in.
There exposed on the inside. Downed power lines tonight and flooded streets in Pensacola, Florida, and downtown Pensacola under several feet of water. First responders rescuing a woman trapped inside her home in Mobile, Alabama, and tonight there have been hundreds of water rescues in Florida.
Tonight, Sally's landfall on the Gulf Coast, bringing wind-blown devastation and a seemingly never-ending deluge.
We're getting it now, and really this thing's been moving so slowly. We've been getting it like this for a good 6 hours.
Sally made landfall before dawn as a powerful Category 2 hurricane with winds up to 105 miles per hour.
The wind has just been relentless here in downtown Pensacola. This is Main Street, and it's just nuking Whitecaps with this storm surge. Debris, traffic lights littering this street.
Watch as this tractor trailer tips over on Interstate 10 above Mobile Bay. And part of the Pensacola Bay Bridge now torn away.
The powerful surf sending this barge right into someone's backyard.
In Mobile, more than 300 firefighters on duty, going house by damaged house, cutting through trees to reach those trapped. This woman, now safe, giving praise as she was taken to an ambulance. And in Escambia County, Florida, more than 150 people rescued from one neighborhood alone.
We anticipate the evacuations could literally be in the thousands.
We're in chest deep water.
Civilian Samaritans joining the effort in Santa Rosa County. And in Pensacola, we meet the McCords, thankful that they didn't get hurt.
So you rode it out all night long to this house. And you hear this big tree come down? What did that feel like?
Scary.
I bet.
Across the region, more than 500,000 losing power. And while more than 5 feet of storm surge was rushing into Pensacola, our Ginger Z seeing the reverse.
Right now, I am walking on Mobile Bay, right at the head of the Dog River. This was full of water yesterday, but when the wind shifted to the north-northeast, the bay pushed back into the ocean on the backside of Sally.
Back in Pensacola, destruction everywhere you look.
I mean, just look at the sheer damage of this building. A whole second half ripped to the ground.
In Gulf Shores, Alabama, where Sally's eye crossed the shore, new drone video shows the back of this 10-story apartment building completely sheared off. You can see the bedrooms, sheets and curtains blowing in the breeze. Thankfully, it doesn't appear that anyone was inside during the storm.
And we are thankful to report that so far there are no fatalities with Hurricane Sally, but the winds and the waves were so powerful for so long they broke several of these construction barges away, some of which ran aground like this one, nearly climbing up onto this sidewalk. They were working on that bridge in the distance that is now damaged, a very important bridge to this community that is now closed until further notice.
We drove from Orange Beach to Gulf Shores to right here in Mobile, Alabama. And David, you have to see this damage behind me. That is a church steeple that is dangling precariously there from the church. We had 82-mile-per-hour winds here in Mobile, and that's what did that. There are still winds with this storm near Dothan, anywhere from Troy back to Dawson, Georgia. You're getting some of those hefty bands. Tallahassee still has it. There's a tornado watch and a flash flood emergency. If you are in a flash flood warning, do not get in the car. That's how you survive the rest of Sally. Now let's time it out and talk about where this thing is going. It is going to move through Georgia tomorrow, and then through Friday, we'll see South Carolina and North Carolina. Timing-wise, it is going to bring an inch-per-hour rainfall rate. So Montgomery over to Macon, Atlanta tomorrow morning early, and then it'll clear out from Georgia and move into South Carolina and North Carolina. So, David, it's really important as we watch this to realize that even up to Norfolk, we are under flash flood watch because we could see anywhere from 4 to even 6 inches, a half a foot of rain still possible that far north from Sally.
All right, we appreciate the alert tonight. Ginger, our thanks to you as well.